the starter that came out of the PC. This is the old starter. And in a minute, we're going to retest this starter on the vise up against the new one. So give me a minute. I ordered this starter, when was it? Last week. And they said it would be here Wednesday and the 9th. But Wednesday was the 3rd. And bingo, it showed up. So I'm not too sure what goes on in the world about what day it is. But I know one thing. 3 days and you can get stuff from almost anywhere. This is the new starter. And it came all the way from State Line Road, South Haven, Mississippi. We're going to open this up, if we can ever figure it out. And, whoop, I'm waiting to be surprised, like, you know, it's going to be a different color or something. And lo and behold, ta-da! It looks brand new. Got some paperwork. Always have paperwork. This side's blank. This side says starters. One, $66.95 is the price. And we're going to charge you $66.95 because that's the price. Okay. So we got charged for it. They take refunds in case something's wrong. And this is the Instruction de la Instruction, whatever that is. And there's a big ass hole in it. Looks like a rat ate it. But are there any in English? Oh, here's the English ones. There's starter motor installation instructions. Before replacing the starter, verify the starter is non-functional. That is a really good idea. Before replacing the starter, make sure that the starter is non-functional. Well, one of the things we have to do, simply because, is to check them against each other to make sure that they physically are the same size. Even though they look similar, they look alike, but you got to make sure that they are the same size. So putting them side by side, lo and behold, they're exactly the same. They're the same amount of round, they're the same amount of long, and they should have the same amount of teeth on the end. And let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teeth. And this one has more teeth. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 teeth too. And what we're going to do is we're going to mount it in the vise, and we're going to energize both of them so you can hear the difference between the two. I'm expecting to hear this one, the new one, whip up and really sound badass, where the other one is going to sound real wimpy. And we're going to set them up side by side. So as you can see, we got both starters in the vise side by side. This is the new one. This is the old one. I put little flags on them so that you'll be able to know when they're running. Well, you'll know, but you'll know that they're the ones running. We'll go with the old one first, just so that you can.
Nothing.
That was the old one, and now the new one. Wow, seems about the same speed. Might have been right. I might have been right. Wonder if this one here has more torque. we're going to put it in anyway. I really can't see much difference in them, and be honest with you. But as you can see, not only did they sound different, the new one sounds like needs a bearing. The old ones just sounded a lot smoother. But then again, the old one has not been rebuilt, and the new one is really a reconditioned one. We'll put it in, and then we'll try it in the bike and see if it works there. What do you know? It probably should. I can't see why it shouldn't. I got the other one to work at least once. That was that. Quick test.